Hi, my name is Martin Day, CEO of Safety Media. I am pleased to re-release this series of short video clips on fire protection equipment maintenance. These short segments are designed to teach key maintenance procedures and functions of fire protection equipment while referencing Safety Media's logbooks. We hope you will appreciate this segment on emergency lighting and exit signs.
On a monthly basis, you are required to simply ensure that the emergency lighting system is operational. Hold the test switch down momentarily to see if the emergency lights turn on from the battery power supply. You may also wish to check the backup light bulbs located in exit signs. In your fire logbook, identify whether you are inspecting a battery unit or a remote lamp and record the location of each. Any unsatisfactory observations can be filled out on the separate remarks page. Do not forget to include your signature once you have completed your monthly inspection.
We hope you found this video interesting and helpful. Please sign up for our informative monthly newsletter, check out our online store, follow us on social media, subscribe to our channel, and contact us via telephone or email anytime. Thank you for watching.